Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the last puzzle. The last puzzle, not in today's newspaper, but in the yesterday's newspaper. Yes, in the additional, the yesterday's newspaper on Thursday, August the 26th, 2021, and actually today it's Friday. Look, Friday, August the 27th, 2021. But in the yesterday's newspaper, we have one puzzle left, yes, and it's a apologies, I bumped my camera. One puzzle left, a tectonic one with 1 star, and this will be a number 3309. All right, before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 20 printed digits. Alright, and for 1 star puzzle or Sudoku, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, let me see. So let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? The single box is always a 1. I see here the single box. Single box is always a 1. Do we have more single boxes? No. Dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes here in this puzzle? No. Triple boxes then. Oh, I missed one. Dual box, the 2 is already filled in, so this should be a 1. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes, I see here the triple box. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this triple box for the number 3. And remember, if you see a triple box, the inside box is always 4 or 5. It cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be 3. So it's always 4 or 5. Okay. More triple boxes? No. Then quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes. Some shapes, yeah. Some figures, structures, or construction, whatever, you name it. For example, this shape, let me draw this. Alright, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Alright, more of this kind of shapes here. Here another one, but rotated. So this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Okay, more. Yeah, another one here. Also same, yes. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following structure or figure or shape, the T shape. The T shape. Alright, here we have a T shape. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. So this box is a 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Okay. And remember that also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright. More T shapes, T figures, no. Then the following figure, this figure, yeah. Let me draw this. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes in this puzzle. Yeah, here another one. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Alright. Do we have more of shapes or figures that you need to recognize? No. I believe there are... oh, here, the L shape. Upside down, the L shape. Okay. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, so in this puzzle, we have 4 shapes that you need to recognize. Then it's easy to place the boxes with the same number. Yeah, that's the same number. In this puzzle we have 4, but there are more of these kind of shapes. So the following stage or step is, let's get starting filling the numbers. Alright, this box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in the T shape for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so I've marked this box with a 4 or a 5, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Alright. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then let me see. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, and this box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 2. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be a 1, can be a 2, should be a 3. Can it be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. This box cannot be a 3, that box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this cross area should be here. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 4. Okay. Then, let me continue here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this area for the number 5. Okay. 2 and a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there in this area. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. Those 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. All right. Then. Let me see. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can it be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Alright. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Should be a 5. Yes. Alright. Then. Let me see. This box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1 no 1 there. 1 should be here and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left. The final 2 numbers of this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1 no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Alright. Great. Tectonic. a.k.a. Suguru in Japanese. Faster than 50 minutes, of course, because it's a 1 star. And I like this one. I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the killer Sudokus, for the binaries, for the ladder Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. Playlist for the heavy, medium, light, quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe and you'll find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Friday, and we will meet tomorrow again on a Saturday. Yes, it's weekend. See you then. Bye bye for now.